Hi, hello, bonjour. Hope you're all doing good. Welcome back with another episode of Maths with Hira, and we are doing another equation here. We are solving another formula. We are evaluating it for a certain variable. We are solving for a certain variable. In this question, we are trying to make R the subject. So let's see how we are going to work this one out. Are you ready for this? Okay, let's continue then. Let me get my pencil, which I'm going to use to solve the question. All right, here we go. So yes, we have to evaluate it for R. You see, we have quite a lot of variables here. We have an A, we have an R. Not quite a lot. Basically, there are just two of them. Pi also seems like a variable, but it's not. It's just an entity. Let's see how we are going to evaluate this one up. All right, so as the question says, make R the subject, this means that we need to take away this R from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. And let's see how we're going to do it. So what we would do here, we would just write down A, and on this side, we will take out R square as common. If you see, this is something that is common in all of it, all of the right-hand side. So we just made R square common. And in the parentheses, we have 4 minus pi. Now, as you see, we have to get rid of this r square. We have to isolate it. So how can we do that? We can just keep this r square here. Instead, we can move this 4 minus pi from here. So how would we do that? There is a 4 minus pi in the numerator. The only way I can get rid of it is by dividing both sides with 4 minus pi. So that's the first step that I did. So, this 4 minus pi in the numerator gets cancelled out with 4 minus pi in the denominator. Now, what we are left with is a 4 minus pi. And if you see on this side, we are just left with r squared. The question says we need to find out the value of the r. This means that we got to get rid of the square root. So what would we do? We will take square roots on both sides. When we would do that, this square cancels out with this. And in the end, we are left with this. R is equal to square root of a out of 4 minus pi. And that is our answer. That is the new formula that we have generated, where R is the subject. It's just a 3-mark question, not too much difficult, but it's a kind of a question that can be expected in your GCSEs. I hope you understood the question. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any more questions regarding this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.